Hi, I'm Mian from LINKA. We're thrilled you've received your Leo 2 and we're looking forward to helping you get set up as quickly as possible. We'll start with the unboxing and then walk through each step of the setup process from start to finish. All right, let's get started. Once you lift the lid, you'll see your brand new Leo 2. It comes with a micro USB pogo cable and 2 mounting screws. On the lock, you'll see the power button, the LED indicator, also the charging point, the steel shackle, mounting slots, and last but not least, the tether sense. To begin, let's charge the Leo 2. To charge the Leo 2, grab the pogo cable. Let's set that aside for now and grab a USB power adapter. Insert the USB end, then plug it into the adapter and then into a wall outlet. Take the other end of the pogo cable and attach it to the charging point. The LED indicator should turn red. Let's allow your Leo 2 to charge overnight. Once it's fully charged, the LED indicator will turn green. Next, we'll cover how to sign up with your email. Be sure to download the LINKA Smart Lock app from the Google Play Store or the App Store. Then open the app and enter your information. Once your email has been verified, return to the app to begin the pairing process. With Bluetooth enabled on your phone, press the power button to turn on your device. When you hear a startup tone and your LED indicator is blinking blue, the lock is now in discoverable mode. The LED will blink blue for 90 seconds before turning off to conserve battery. Next, tap the name of your device on the app to start connecting. Your Phoneless access code is a neat feature that allows you to unlock your device even if you don't have your phone nearby. Feel free to choose your own unique 4-digit code. For this example, we'll enter 1212, then press OK. Now that the lock is paired and you've entered a 4-digit Phoneless access code, let's lock and unlock through the app. Press and hold the green button until it turns red, then slide it down. This will activate the lock. Be sure the device is still when locking. To unlock, simply press and hold the red button, then pull it down as it turns green. Once you let go, the shackle will retract. Another option is to use the power button to lock without being connected. As you can see, the LED indicator is green, meaning that the lock is currently connected to the phone. For demonstration purposes, the Bluetooth will be disabled and now the LED will turn blue. To lock the device, press the power button twice. Then, to unlock, simply switch Bluetooth back on and open the app, then press the power button twice and the shackle will retract. Next, we'll demonstrate the Phoneless access code feature by turning off Bluetooth. Let's try a 4-digit code of 1212. To begin, hold down the power button until the LED indicator turns purple. Then press once, twice, once, twice, then it will unlock. This time we'll focus on the LED indicator. The purple LED allows you to begin entering your 4-digit code. After you enter the first number, the LED indicator will turn red, meaning proceed to the next number. Then yellow, green, and lastly, blue will unlock your device. Let's put this all together. We'll hold down the power button until it turns purple. Press once, red, twice, yellow, once, green, twice, blue. Then your device will unlock. If you do not see a blue LED at the end, please try again from the beginning by holding down the power button. Thank you so much for watching. To learn more, be sure to hit the subscribe button. We hope you enjoy your Leo 2 and have fun riding.